Okay, welcome to Florida Cemetery Channel. I'm Florida Golden Girl, your host. Today's travel adventure takes us to Disney's Port Orleans Riverside. Folks, we're going to be dining at Boatwright's restaurant. We have reservations at 5 o'clock. And so they've not officially opened up yet. So we're at Boatwright's dining hall. And so this is a little bit about, so they're from 5 until 12.
She's also pretty cavalier, as you can probably tell with the fact that she eats spicy food.
So
Bitter.
it's such a long time from when we dined here, and I may not have never dined here. But this is what the outside looks like. Isn't that cute? I mean, they have these themes so correctly. And evidently from here to the French Quarter is 10 minutes. So that might be something we might be doing while we're here. So right now we're waiting to be admitted for dinner. Oh, this is perfect.
You don't like this?
No, this is perfect.
Okay. Where do you want to sit?
Right there. All right. So this is our table, folks. And so this is Boatwright Hall. Okay, folks, so we are now seated, and this is the Boatwright's Dining Hall menu. And then on the other side is the drinks menu. But I think I have an idea what I want. I think I'm going for the prime rib. I can't have the mashed potatoes or the vegetables, but I can substitute things. But it really is a nice menu. And again, when you do any reservation, folks, I highly recommend that you come in early. That way you're seated and you're not crowded by everybody. And you can leisurely enjoy your menu, your meal. Okay. Do you know what you're going to get?
Yeah. Oh, not yet.
So what do you think?
It's nice. It's different.
We've never been here before.
This is different. We never been. It's nice, right?
Yeah, so Boatwright means that they make ships. So, and this is I guess an old wooden model of what it would take to make a ship. And so it's kind of cool. There's different types of antique tools that they use. And the trades back in New Orleans type atmosphere. And so it's decorated rather nice. I hope you are enjoying this as much as we are. And then if you go through the exit door, there's a bar over there. Isn't that correct?
Yeah, it's a nice bar. real nice.
Okay, folks, we are currently eating. I got the prime rib with potatoes and rice. And what did you get to eat?
Same prime rib.
Okay, and he's got broccoli and rice. Enjoy. Well, you can see by the empty plates, and then there's one full one. We finished our meal. My thoughts. I would say that the meal was really good. They go out of their way to accommodate you. They don't have carrots or sauteed spinach, but they try and make it up for other things if you've got food allergies. The menu is, you've seen what the menu is. Again, it's another restaurant that offers more varied alcohol than it does for food. But the service is excellent. The food actually is too. If you want more, they'll give you more. So this is something I would recommend. What's your thoughts on dining here at Boatwright's?
It's good. It was good. It was fine. Everything was. All the waiters were efficient, timely. The meal was very good. I liked it. The atmosphere is very good too.
Thank you. I appreciate that, co-host. We won't ask him. He finished his meal, so.
That was good.
Well, cool. Thank you. I appreciate your thoughts. Okay, so another Disney dining adventure down. Many more to go. Our next stop on the Disney dining resort is Narcoossee's at the Grand Floridian. We've never dined at the Grand Floridian, so this was something I thought that, maybe we would enjoy. So with that, I want to thank you for coming along on our Disney dining review here at Boatwright's at the Disney Port Orleans, Riverside. I will see you in the next travel adventure. So long for now.